Narrator, what if I told you that every thought you think is creating your future, that your mind is the magnet shaping your reality right now without you even realizing it? Cut to scenes of someone waking up, checking their phone, sighing, then switch to the same person smiling, visualizing, taking action. Narrator, the law of attraction isn't just a concept, it's a force. And whether you believe it or not, it's working. Every second, every thought, every emotion. Narrator, you're not stuck. You're not powerless. You are the author of your life. And the story changes the moment you do, like attracts like. It's a simple yet profound truth that governs the universe and shapes our reality. When you focus on joy, gratitude, and abundance, you align yourself with those very qualities. Your thoughts emit a specific vibration, and the universe responds by reflecting that same energy back to you. It's like tuning a radio. You'll only receive the station that matches your frequency. This is where the real magic happens. This three-step process is the key to harnessing the law of attraction. Believe it is already yours. Receive by being open and feeling good as if you already have it. This step is about aligning your emotional state with the reality you want to create. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude of having your desire fulfilled right now. In this moment, this step is crucial. You must cultivate an unwavering faith that what you desire is on its way to you. Doubt and skepticism are like static on the line. You're in sync with your desires. These positive emotions are like green lights, signaling that you're on the right path. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your energy from lack to abundance. They can be big or small: a loving relationship, a beautiful sunrise, a delicious cup of coffee. This practice not only improves your mood, but also signals to the universe that you appreciate and are ready for more blessings. Behave and feel as if what you desire is already true. This helps align your actions with your goals. When you act as if you resending a powerful message to both your subconscious mind and the universe that you ready for the reality you recreating. Every thought, every emotion, every action is shaping your reality. By understanding and applying these principles, you can harness this universal force to create the life you truly desire. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, start thinking and acting like one now. There will be times when doubt creeps in, when old patterns resurface. And most importantly, be patient and kind with yourself. Change doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent practice, you'll start to see shifts in your life, sometimes subtle, sometimes dramatic. But remember, every moment is a new opportunity to choose your thoughts, to realign with your desires, to raise your vibration. Dress the part, speak with confidence, make decisions as if you're already running a thriving business, interfering with the clear transmission of your desires to the universe. With the law of attraction as your guide, you have the power to create a life filled with joy, abundance, and purpose. You approach challenges with confidence rather than fear. You cultivate relationships that support and inspire you. You become a magnet for positive experiences and people who resonate with your new energy. First, and watch as the garden of your dreams blossoms into reality. The law of attraction isn't just a secret, it's your birthright. Embrace it, live it, become it. This awareness creates a positive feedback loop, attracting even more positive experiences and opportunities. These are statements that reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Repeat them daily with conviction. I am worthy of abundance. I attract success effortlessly. My life is filled with joy and opportunity. These affirmations, when consistently practiced, can rewire your subconscious mind, aligning it with your conscious desires. The real power of the law of attraction lies in its ability to transform you from within. As you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your highest aspirations, you become the best version of yourself. Ask clearly for what you want. Be specific. The universe can't deliver if you're not sure what you're ordering. On the other hand, indicate resistance. Frustration, anger, or fear are red flags, showing that your thoughts and beliefs are out of alignment with what you want to manifest. These emotions are not to be ignored or suppressed, but rather seen as valuable feedback, guiding you back to alignment. Conversely, dwelling on fear, lack, or frustration only serves to amplify those negative aspects in your life. Positive thoughts attract positive outcomes. Negative thoughts attract negative outcomes. This isn't just a feel-good mantra, it's the foundation of the law of attraction. They're powerful indicators of your alignment with your desires. Your emotions reflect whether you re-in harmony with what you want to attract or if you resisting it. Imagine your mind as a powerful magnet, constantly drawing experiences and circumstances that match its dominant frequency. The chair you're sitting on, the device you're reading this on, they were once just ideas. Your thoughts have the same creative power, but how does this work? It's all about energy. Thoughts become things. Feeling the emotions associated with that reality. Make this a daily practice, like a mental rehearsal for the life you're creating. This isn't just a catchy phrase. It's a fundamental principle of manifestation. What you consistently think about and believe intends to manifest in your life. Your thoughts are the seeds from which your reality grows. Consider this. Every great invention, every masterpiece, every successful business, they all began as a thought in someone's mind. But it's not just about positive thinking. It's about aligning your entire being, thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. Ask, believe, receive. Next, finally, emotions are a guidance system. They're not just reactions to external events. Good feelings are a sign of alignment. When you feel joy, excitement, or peace, bad feelings, visualization, and affirmation are powerful tools in the manifestation process. Visualize your goals with vivid detail. See yourself living the life you desire. Pair your visualizations with positive affirmations. Gratitude amplifies attraction. Being thankful for what you have raises your vibration and draws more good things into your life. It's like a magnet for blessings. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude also helps you stay present and aware of the good already in your life. Act as if this principle is about embodying the reality you want to create. This isn't about pretending or being inauthentic. It's about aligning your current self with your future self. Remember, the law of attraction is always at work, whether you're conscious of it or not. But it's not just about manifesting material possessions or achievements. You start to see opportunities where before you saw obstacles. The journey of mastering the law of attraction is ongoing. It's about continuous growth, self-awareness, and alignment. Start small, practice gratitude daily, visualize your goals, affirm your worth and potential. Act as if your dreams are already reality. You are the creator of your reality. Your thoughts are the brushstrokes painting the masterpiece of your life. So what reality will you choose to create? The canvas is blank, the colors are vibrant, and the brush is in your hand. Your masterpiece awaits. Music swells, final montage of people achieving their dreams, embracing loved ones, celebrating successes. Narrator. Your thoughts are the seeds of your destiny. Plant them wisely, nurture them with belief.